Hi there, students. In the interest of, in the interests of, in the best interest of. Notice you can use this in the interest of or in the interests of. It can be singular or plural. We use this phrase meaning in order to accomplish something, in order to improve something, in order to advance something. So, in order to save time, in the interests of time, let's skip the introduction and get straight down to work. In the interests of clarity, I'm going to explain everything twice. The police decided not to prosecute this case in the interests of justice. Okay, this was the most beneficial thing for justice, the most beneficial way in order to improve it. So, in the interests of health, smoking is prohibited around here. Yeah, so in the interests of justice, the case was dismissed. Yeah, it's got the idea of in the furtherance of something, in order to improve it, in order to achieve a particular goal. So, in the interests of fairness, everybody is going to start in exactly the same position. Okay, in the interests of. We want this to be fair. So, in the interests of fair, in the best interests of the children. So, in a divorce case, when the judge needs to decide whether the children are going to live with the mother or the father, they need to think about the best interests of the children. They need to think what would be best for them. We're using this word interest or interests, talking about the situation. So the idea of the best situation for them. So in the interests of democracy, we are going to have votes about everything. In a company, the people who manage the company, the board and the chairman of the board, should always act in the interests of all shareholders. I think one of the problems with politicians nowadays is they've lost sight of the fact that they should be acting in the best interests of the people of the country rather than in their own best interests. Yeah. Okay, in the interests of peace and harmony, we're not going to talk about politics. Okay, so in order to further peace and harmony, in order to make it easier and more easier for everyone. Okay, so in the interest of, as to formality, I would give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere, informally and very formally. And then as to the origin, well, it comes from this idea of interest, the interest of someone, the condition, the quality, the importance. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. In the interests of, in the best interests of.